Are you sick of working from home, unable to go out and visit a trade show? Well, so am I. As a marketing professional, trade shows can be the highlight of our year. The preparation that goes into it and seeing the end result, so I am just as disappointed as you are.
But don't worry, even if we can't meet in person, we're bringing the trade show to you live from our shop here in Springfield, Missouri. Throughout the week of November 9, CSI will showcase our capabilities and products virtually at PAC Expo Connect. We'll host live product demonstrations each day, Monday through Thursday at 11:15 a.m. Central Time. During these presentations, you'll learn about common process problems such as pressure drop, pump cavitation, hygienic issues, and you'll learn ways to avoid these headaches and keep your process running smoothly. Our process experts, Natalie, Connor, and Nicole, will be standing by throughout the week to answer any questions you have through our live chat feature. So don't forget to register for our PAC Expo product demonstrations by clicking the link above. And don't forget to show up for each presentation from the comfort of your own home or your office chair.